This is a tutorial on how to sew a bow knot headband. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that alert button for more upcoming tutorials. Once we have cut all 4 pieces of fabric out, we're going to then fold the fabric in half, making sure the right sides are together. Then we're going to fold up the corner into a triangle shape. And then we're going to snip off the end. This will give us our bow shape at the end of the project. This will then be repeated with the other 3 pieces of fabric. Now we have all 4 pieces of fabric cut, we're going to place them right sides together on top of each other. Now we're going to stitch up here, here, here and here, making sure you leave this bit open, and repeat with the other one. And then we're going to get this piece of fabric, fold it in half with right sides together and sew straight down. Now we're going to trim off the corners at the top of the fabric. We now need to turn each piece of fabric inside out. Turn your fabric inside out, make sure you press all 3 pieces of fabric. Now we're going to get the elastic and put it through the fabric. If you get a paper clip, pin it to the end of the elastic, and this is so it feeds through the fabric easily. When the fabric end meets the elastic end, pin this in place so the elastic doesn't move. Continue feeding the elastic up the fabric until you get to the end and pin the elastic and fabric in place. Now we're going to do a straight stitch at the top so the elastic is attached to the fabric, and we're going to repeat both sides. Now I'm going to get the elastic, put it on the end of the fabric and fold the corners in, and we're going to do a straight stitch down the side. Now we're going to repeat the last stage. Get the other end of the elastic, place it at the other end of the piece of fabric and fold the corners in. And then we're going to sew down to secure this in place. We're going to now cut any excess fabric off the ends, making sure you don't cut any of your stitches. Once we've trimmed these away, we're going to then tuck them inside the fabric. Last of all, we need to do the bow. I tend to get a book to help me get the shape. If you follow these steps, it will get you that perfect bow tie. And there we have it, your first very own handmade bow knot headband. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that alert button for more upcoming tutorials.